Right, we're here at Shangri-La Plaza Elevators. This is in Ortigas. It's also near SM Mega Mall too. And those are Schindler elevator. This one here is old and still in renovation. That one there's also Schindler. Sadly, the elevators are not glass elevators. It should be glass elevator just like the SM Mega Mall do at Mega B at Mega A. I'm gonna eat McDonald's at SM Mega Mall later. And our last stop is SM Makati. Still at basement. This is at level 6. The MRT access is level 5. Still at basement. This elevator here is out of service. We'll post the video and wait for the elevator to come. Five, 6. My foot hurts. There we go. Up, 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 up. That dog. There's a dog there at the passenger.
Dito na matagalan eh.
Going up pa yan.
Seven ka na, okay na.
We're gonna go to 2. Marami kasi nag-ano dito eh. 6. Down. Up, up, up. Fourth floor. Oops. Tawag sa Mexica. Mas malaki pa yung elevator doon sa Mega Mall. 2. Ako dyan sa 2. Excuse me. Second floor. Ayun na yung pinaka-basement ng mall. Up, up! Those doors are so faulty.